everyone, welcome to my Cutie Hub. I'm your Lovely and I'm going to discuss here about UPSC prelims. Are you excited to learn this topic? So let's dive into the topic. Let's get started. Here I'm discussing about major environmental institutions. So here's like this. National Environmental Engineering Research Institute. That's NEERI. National Environmental Engineering Research Institute. So, which is from Nagpur and Maharashtra. So, Central Avian Research Institute is Izzat Nagar. So, Bareilly. Izzat Nagar, Bareilly. So, largest museum in India. Where it is? From Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So, largest fish aquarium in India? From Mumbai, Maharashtra. Then, do you know that largest zoo in India? Alipur, Calcutta. Best study channel for civil services. Okay. So, largest bird park in India. Which area it belongs to? Try. Bharatpur, Rajasthan. Okay. So, just zoo in the world? Kurgher National Park. So, these are the things you learn about the parks and the general topics like general studies. So, stay tuned. Now, I'm going to discuss about some important terms and meanings. So, let's learn new things today. Are you excited? Yeah? Yes. So, Jimmy protected Jawabit means Sultan's own regulations to supplement Muslim law. Jahandari, that's nothing but secular consideration. Secular consideration. And there are terms of books. If you want to learn related to the terms, then you just go through these all. That's nothing but Tughlaqai Alai. So this is the Ashika Amir Kusharo. So Gita Govind, who have written this book? Amir Rasau, who have written this book? Sarangadhara. So Fatwa I Jahandar, who have written this book? Bharani. So Padmavat, that means Mali Muhammad Jaisi. The author is Mali Muhammad Jaisi. And these are the Eightfold Paths of Buddhism. Want to know what exactly? So let's know. So there was a trick to evil scam. Do you have an idea? That's really important to know. What the full form of evil? Do you know? Okay. E means right effort. V means right way. And I means right information. And L means right livelihood. So E wills. Yes means right speech. And C means right concentration. So A means right action. So M means right mindfulness. So to appreciate our consistent effort, like my consistent effort, I'm really happy to talk about this or discuss about these all. So stay tuned. Want to know more? Do subscribe to my channel. So now I'm going to discuss here about International Finance Corporation. That's nothing but IFC. It's very interesting. Please stay tuned and have a listen. So contest. There was a contest is like this. The International Finance Corporation, IFC, the private sector arm of the World Bank. Yes, the private sector arm of the World Bank has said it will stop supporting investments in new coal projects. So previously in 2020, IFC had unveiled a policy encouraging clients to reduce their exposure to coal projects by half by that's nothing but 2025 and to zero by 2030, but did not prevent new investments. Why? What is the status of that? Want to know? So, what do you mean by IFC? The status of IFC lending in India. Yes. So, it has lent close to $5 billion to almost 88 financial institutions in India. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon. Hope this all helpful for you in today's video. Keep shining, keep grace. Thank you.